sits on a little hook. There we go. Because this is either going to spray a bunch of water at us. I need you to hit that part. Alright, it's always a good sign. That, my friends, does not happen often. See, it kind of sprays everywhere. Man, you just hit the stop. So, man, there's just some residual water that came out. But normally this would like be a real big drip. Yeah. So this is when the water shoots back out. After it's done making my coffee. And so like when that filter part came off, all those grounds that just fell started shooting back down through these water lines. And that's what clogged it up.